So are you also running a pizza restaurant and do you also receive your customers' queries on WhatsApp? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in this video we are going to understand how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for your pizza restaurant business. So over here I'm also running a pizza restaurant and we also regularly receive the same type of queries on our WhatsApp through our leads and through our customers. And replying to all of those same queries over and over again is such a time consuming and a tedious task. So to solve this problem, I've simply created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So now what is going to happen is that as soon as I create a WhatsApp chatbot, whenever my user is going to send me a message, an automatic reply would be sent towards that user, that too without any manual efforts. So if you also want to see the proper working of this WhatsApp chatbot, and if you also want to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your pizza restaurant, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your pizza restaurant using Pabbly Chatflow. So this chatbot will instantly reply to customer queries about your menu, pizza sizes, toppings, delivery time, offers and store hours, all automatically. It's a great way to save time, stay connected with hungry customers 24/7 and boost your orders with instant responses. So let's bake some automation into your business and serve better experience. So to get started, I've already created a chat flow right over here. As you can see that I've already created a WhatsApp chatbot for my restaurant. And to get started, I'm just going to show you the working of this chatbot. Let's say that someone is going to message me hey right over here. So as you can see, as soon as someone is going to message me, it is saying hey there, welcome to the pizza box. We are thrilled to have you here. Can you please tell us your full name to get started? Alright, so I'm just going to share my full name with them, which is test lead. Alright, so I'm just going to share them the full name. And yes, now they are replying me, what would you like to explore today? Over here, they have given me 3 options, which is view pizza menu, special combos, store and hours. Alright, so let's say I want to view the pizza menu. So I'm just going to select view pizza menu right over here. And yes, over here, they have shared the menu. And also if I want to place the order, they have given me the link for the same. So I can simply click on this place order button, and yes, over here you can see that they have replied me. So as you can see, in real time, within seconds, I am getting reply from this pizza restaurant. And this is no magic, this is the power of the WhatsApp chatbot, which we are going to create in today's video with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you also want to create this amazing chatbot for your pizza restaurant, then for that you have to watch this tutorial till the end. So to do this, we are simply going to open a new tab and we have to open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And in order to open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, we simply have to search for www.pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser. And yes, now it is opening the landing page of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And after opening this landing page, we are going to get 2 options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free and you are going to get free trial of Pabbly Chatflow account. But over here, I am an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this button right over here which says sign in. And as soon as we are going to click on this sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps. And over here, you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate WhatsApp conversations effortlessly. So I'm simply going to click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account. And now it is going to open the dashboard of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And in order to create a WhatsApp chatbot, we first have to add a WhatsApp number inside our Pabbly Chatflow account. And in order to add a WhatsApp number, we first have to add the Meta Access Token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So you must be wondering from where we are going to get all of these 3. So what's going to happen is that you first have to create a WhatsApp WhatsApp Cloud API setup, and then you're going to get all of these three. And if you also want to see step-by-step tutorial on how to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow using WhatsApp Cloud API, so over here we have attached a tutorial. You can check out this video right over here and learn how to add a WhatsApp number in minutes. And still, after watching this video, you have any questions, so you can email us at support@pabbly.com. Alright, so now I have already added a WhatsApp number inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So what I'm going to do is I'm directly going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. And in order to create a WhatsApp chatbot, I'm just going to go towards this left side of the bar, towards this flow section of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And after coming over here towards the flow section, we simply have to click on this button which says add flow right over here. And now you can see that it is going to open a window something like this in front of us as soon as we're going to click on add flow. And over here, to start the flow, it is giving me three options: to enter the keywords, regex, or choose a template. So over here, if you want to choose a template, you can simply go towards this choose template button, select a template, and whenever your user is going to reply to that template, automatically your flow will start. And the next option is to enter the regex. So you can also enter the regex. You must be wondering what is regex. So regex means regular expressions. It helps your chatbot understand different ways people say the same thing. Let's say, for example, someone will type and say, I want to order. The another user might type and say, I want to see the menu. So instead of listing each possible variation as a keyword, we use regex. Alright, so if you wish, you can definitely enter regex right over here. But I'm going to use keywords to start this flow. So I'm just going to enter some most commonly used keywords right over here, which is hey, hello, and hi. So I'm just going to use these keywords, which is hey, hello, and hi. And in order to enter the keywords, you first have to type the keyword and then press enter to add the keyword. It is a really important step to press enter, otherwise your keyword will not be added. And now after adding these most commonly used keywords, I'm just going to add few more which are relevant to my chatbot, which is order, menu, and pizza. So I'm just going to enter all of these keywords right over here, which is order, menu, and pizza. And after successfully entering all the keywords, we are going to move on further. Now what I want is, I want to ask my user for their full name like I have did right over here. And in order to ask them for their full name, I'm simply going to go towards this actions, and over here you can see the button of ask question. So I'm simply going to drag and drop this ask question, and we are simply going to connect this ask question with this flow start. And now I'm just going to enter the message I want to send them in order to ask them for their full name. So yes, you can see that I've successfully entered the message to ask them for their full name. And now we're going to move on further. It is asking me to select the contact custom field. So over here in the settings section, you can go towards this contact custom fields and create multiple contact custom fields in order to ask your users for their details. And you can simply collect the user details with the help of this feature of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to learn more about this contact custom fields, I'm just going to attach a video in the description box below. You can check it out. Alright, so I've created many contact custom fields and I'm just going to select one of those, which is full name. And now it is asking me to select the format of the reply. So the full name is always in text format, so I'm simply going to select it as text right over here. And now it is asking me for the number of attempts, so I'm only going to give one number of attempts. I've entered 1. Now we're going to move on further. It is asking me for the validation message. So if you wish, you can definitely enter a validation message right over here, but this is not the required field, so we can leave it as blank. Now we're going to move on further. I'm just going to ask my user what is their today's query. So I'm just going to send a message to them something like this: what would you like to explore today? Alright, so in order to send them this message, I'm just going to open my chatbot once again. We are going to drag and drop the connection with the help of this full name and select the content type as text plus button. And now I'm just going to enter the message I want to send them further, which is what would you like to explore today? And now I'm just going to add 3 buttons right over here, like you can see in the real-time example, which is view pizza menu, special combos, and store hours. So one by one, I'm just going to add 3 buttons right over here in my WhatsApp chatbot. So yes, you can see that I've successfully entered all of these buttons right over here. And after adding these 3 buttons, I'm just going to set up message in front of all of these three. And in order to do this, we are simply going to drag and drop the connection for the pizza menu. And for the content type, I'm simply going to select it as media right over here because I want to attach a menu, right? And over here, we are going to go towards this drag and drop or browse file. And I'm just going to attach my file, which is this pizza menu. So I'm simply going to attach it right over here in my chatbot. And as soon as we are going to attach the file automatically, Pabbly Chatflow is going to select the media type and enter the URL. We don't have to change or select this. Simply we have to enter the caption which we want to send with this pizza menu. So yes, you can see this is the caption I want to send with this pizza menu. Not only this, but I want to give my customers the option to place an order with this. Alright, so what we're going to do is, to do this, we're going to add two buttons with this menu too. One is to place an order and the another one would be to contact us. And yes, you can see that I've successfully entered the buttons. Now we are going to move on further towards the next message first from these options, and then we are going to set a message in front of this place an order and contact team. Alright, so first we're going to set up the message for the special combos. So I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection and select the content type as text plus button. And now I'm just going to enter the message I want to send for special combos right over here. So yes, over here you can see that this is the message I want to send for special combos. And now I'm just going to add two buttons right over here too for place an order and contact team. Because as you can see that in the end of the message I've mentioned that tap place an order to grab your deal. So that's why I've attached two buttons right over here too. Now we're going to move on further towards this store as I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection and select the content type as text plus button. And now I'm just going to enter the message for the same. So yes, over here you can see that I've successfully entered the message for the same. Once again, I'm just going to add two buttons in this store and ask to, which is place an order and contact team. So I'm simply going to add both of these buttons, which is place an order and contact team right over here. And after successfully setting up the messages for all of these three options, we are going to move on further and set up messages for place order and contact team. So I'm simply going to drag and drop this place order right over here, and we're going to select the content type as text plus button. And now I'm just going to enter the text right over here. So yes, over here you can see that I've successfully entered the message if my user selects place order. But now in order to enter this message for all of these three, we are not going to enter it separately, but we are going to simply connect all of these buttons of place order with a single message like this. So you can also connect a single message with multiple buttons like this. It is really easy. You don't have to set up multiple messages for same buttons like place order right over here and contact team. Alright, so I'm just going to add a button in this place an order message too, which is contact team. And then further we are going to move on forward and set up the message for contact team. I'm just going to drag and drop it and select the content type as text plus button and enter the message. So yes, with this I've successfully entered the contact team message and I've also concluded the conversation. So I'm simply going to connect it with this contact team buttons everywhere I have added. So I'm just going to connect it like this. And yes, with this we have successfully connected this contact team buttons and place an order button. And yes, with this we have successfully completed our flow too. And now whenever my user is going to message me any of this keyword, this flow is going to get triggered. My chatbot is going to ask the user for their full name first, then offer them this multiple options and reply further according to their choices. So yes, with this we have successfully created this amazing chatbot for my pizza restaurant too. But now I'm just going to test this chatbot, and in order to test this chatbot we first have to save it, right? And in order to save this, I'm just going to name this chatbot as pizza restaurant. So yes, you can see that I've successfully named my chatbot, and I'm simply going to click on this button save right over here to save this flow. And yes, you can see flow updated successfully. So with this we have successfully saved this flow, and now I'm just going to test it in real time. And in order to test it in real time, you always have to keep in mind that this flow should be active right from here. You have to keep in mind that if this flow would be inactive, then it will not run in real time. So as you can see that my flow is active, so I can test this. So first I'm just going to clear the previous chat and we are going to start fresh. Let's say that I'm just going to enter the keyword right over here, which is order. All right, so I'm just going to enter order right over here, and as soon as we are going to enter the keyword, it is saying, hey there, welcome to the pizza box. We are thrilled to have you here. Could you please share your full name to get started? All right, so I'm simply going to share my full name, which is demo user. So I'm just going to share my full name with them, and after sharing my full name, it is saying, what would you like to explore today? All right, so I'm just going to test all of these 3 buttons one by one. So first, I'm just going to test this view pizza menu right over here. And as soon as we're going to select view pizza menu over here, it has shared me the pizza menu. And with this, it has also shared me a caption which we entered. Not only this, it has given me the option of place an order and contact team too. So we are going to move towards this afterwards. First, I'm just going to test the second button, which is special combos. So I'm just going to view the special combos. And over here, you can see that these are some special combos, which are today's hot pick. Now, I'm just going to test the third, which is store in hours right over here. And yes, over here, you can see that this is the message for store in hours. And if you want to place an order, it is saying to place an order now, tap the button below. So I'm simply going to click on this place order button given right over here. And as soon as we are going to select it over here, you can see the message for place an order. So it is saying to place the order, we can simply go towards this online link given. All right, so we can go towards this and place our order. And if you want to contact the team, I can simply click on this contact team button to contact the team. And over here, you can see that we have got the contact details of the restaurant. So yes, with this, we have successfully completed this chatbot. And over here, you can see the proper conversation which we have had with this chatbot, right? And now what is going to happen is that whenever my user is going to message any of these keywords, this chatbot is going to get triggered, and further it is going to reply to all the user queries effectively without any manual efforts. So yes, with this, we have successfully completed this chatbot. But there is one another very useful feature of this chatbot. I'm just going to show you that feature. For that, we have to go towards this inbox section of our Pabbly Chatflow account. So I'm just going to open this inbox in a new tab. And over here in the inbox section, you can see the whole conversation which happened between the user and the chatbot. Not only this, you can also check the status of the message when it was sent, delivered, and read. Not only this, you can also collect the user information with the help of this chatbot. You can see that my user shared their full name, which is demo user. So you can see that this demo user has been added in this contact custom fields under this full name section. So not only sending and receiving of WhatsApp messages, but you can also collect your user details with the help of this chatbot. Such an amazing feature, right? So yes, with this, we have successfully completed this chatbot and this video too. And now go and create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own pizza restaurant and try Pabbly Chatflow account for free. And if you have any questions related to the video or the flow, you can directly comment on this video. And see you in the next video with many more amazing automation tips. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but with the help of same logic, you can create multiple chatbots which are tailored to your business needs. So now if you want to contact us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. So now go and create this WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free.